Hello everybody, my name is Mark Sapsford. I'm a co-founder of Trading Sites Limited, and Trading Sites have created algorithmic trading software which is powered by TEKTON. Our algorithmic trading software, which we will call ATS from here on in, is a piece of software which allows anybody to create algorithmic trading strategies and allow them to trade at times that they wish to do so without actually being in front of the computer. For example, if we look at this chart here, we can see that this is on New Zealand dollar against the US dollar, and as you know, there are many different currency pairs we can choose from, as you can see here. Okay, but the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and we're using a 30-minute time frame, and again, there are lots of different time frames you can choose from. So opportunities will always be coming in the marketplace, but you need to be in front of them to take advantage of them. Until now, the algorithmic trading software will allow you to trade at times of the day when you're not in front of your computer because you're working, looking at something else, or doing something else, or sleeping. For example, this cross here, a moving average cross, happened after 1 AM UK time. So you would have needed to be in front of your computer to capitalize on this opportunity using conventional trading methods. Let me show you how easy and simple it is and effective it is to create a little strategy that will allow you to take every time these moving averages cross from above to below or below to above a trading position in the marketplace with full risk management. So this is the welcome screen, Trading Sites Algorithmic Trading Software ATS powered by TEKTON. We simply sign in, accept the risk disclaimer, and up comes our strategy window. We're going to create a new strategy. We have no strategies running, but this is the My Strategies screen. We create the strategy by clicking there, and the first thing we're going to do is add the rules. So the rules are very simple. When the moving average hull 50 crosses below the 200, we're going to sell, and when it crosses from below to above, we're going to buy. And that's as simple as it is. So we click here, Add Algorithm. We have pre-populated menus, so the first thing we do is choose the indicator. We're going to choose the hull. There it is there. We type in 50, apply, and we tell the system what we want to happen. Compare when the crosses below the hull again, 200. We click apply, and as you can see at the top here, it started to write the rule or the algorithm. What we want to happen when that happens is from above to below, we want to sell. And that's now set. You can now see that that is now set as a condition. It took 30 seconds to create. Now let's click the algorithm and create the buy condition. Hull 50. Crosses above the whole moving average this time. As you can see, there are lots of different indicators. Just before I go forward, you've got lots of different indicators: true range, Bollinger Bands, moving averages, community channel index, Ichimoku cloud, linear regression, MACDs, ring highs, ring lows for high test bars, low test bars, and an ever increasing list of indicators. So let's just put the hull back in there, 200. Click apply, and the action there is to buy. And that has created both of our conditions for our trading strategy. All we need to do now is set out trade sizing in CFDs, which goes as low as 0.01 and as high as 100, and our system stop loss, which will be 20 and 65. We also have the ability to control our drawdown for the whole system once that's running live, but for this purposes, because we're only testing it, I don't need to worry about drawdown or take profit for the overall system. So we've got 20 and 65. Here is where we change the currency pair. So we put in here New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and we put the time frame here, which is 30-minute chart, which corresponds to this here, 30-minute New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Now I've done that, I'm going to save the changes. I'm going to call it hull cross, and that's created the strategy, including the risk management. Now what I do, before I set it to run live, I want to test it. So we click Run Test, And we have options with this. We can use tick data or candle data. We use backtest over all data, or we can specifically specify a certain period. But I'm going to use all the data, which is 18 months, and I'm going to click Run Test. So now that is actually running the test and is going to apply a searching engine to actually go back over the data over the last 18 months to see every time those moving averages crossed, what would have happened had the trades taken place. So with most backtesting, it can take anything up to 3 or 4 hours to backtest just a few months of data. This is actually taking probably in total about a minute and a half to test 18 months. It's a very simple, very effective, yet very fast system, and very easy to use, as you've seen. So once we get our result in a moment, so it's actually scanning the market to see what happens every time one of these crosses over the last 18 months. Yeah, sometimes they cross like this one and they go on and achieve a good profit. Sometimes they cross and they just cross back again. So cross down, cross back up again. So this probably would have been a losing trade. But that's what the whole purpose of this system is. It's actually searching for the results. Here we have the results when this table comes up. So we click here for the results. And the result is showing me a 685 pip profit for that period, okay, which is pretty good on one system. If we click here for the profit and loss chart, it will allow me to scroll down and see that most of the results came in, the positive returns came in the important part, which is the most recent. So since September last year and today, that's made over 600 pips of profit. So had you run that live, you would have had to need no input into this, no input whatsoever, and it would have had a good outcome for you. So that's a real demonstration on how effective and how simple Trading Sites ATS is to use moving forward. It's got a whole host of features to be added to this moving forward as well, including machine learning and including artificial intelligence, which we call AI. And it is at this moment in time completely free to use up until November. So if you register to receive a demo version of this and then ultimately use it live, you will be able to use it free forever if you register before November. So now is the time to get on board with this and get yourself involved. So let me show you how to get involved. The first thing you need to do is send us an email address, is info@tradingsites.com. So send us an email to info@tradingsites.com. This is a global email address, which means you can contact us from anywhere in the world, providing the country you're in allows you to trade the markets. There's only about 4 in the world where it's not allowed. We have a global business. We have offices in London, we have offices in South Africa, and we have the ability to enroll and register clients from all over the world, providing your your regulatory body in your country allows you to trade these type of markets, which is most of the countries in the whole wide world. So don't delay, get on board. This really will give your trading the edge, whether you're a trader or a new to trading. If you're new to trading, we offer full Trading Sites, a full training and learning programs. We also offer those of you that are trading full support on the ATS, on the Algorithmic Trading Software, on how to use it moving forward. So if you're new to this, or whether you're someone that's actually been trading for a while, you'll understand the benefits of this. It's the emotional attachment to trading, giving you back more time. Check out one of our videos online. We've got many videos online showing the benefits of using Trading Sites Algo Trading Software. And I personally look forward to speaking to you and meeting some of you on some of our global workshops we'll be running over the coming few weeks and few months. Many thanks for watching, and bye for now.